I'm Ritik Singh. I'm from Evoke Experiences. So we curate reimagining destination, and currently we are operating in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. In Gujarat, we are operating in Statue of Unity and Dholavira, and in Madhya Pradesh, we are in Kuno Forest Retreat and Gandhi Sagar Forest Retreat. Kuno is the place where Modi ji reintroduced cheetah. So this is the first cheetah project is started in Kuno, and we are the official safari partner at Kuno Forest Retreat. And the second one is Gandhi Sagar. Gandhi Sagar is in Mandsaur district of MP. It's around 110 kilometers from Kota. So that will be the second phase. Cheetah project will be starting in Gandhi Sagar. So there we have a lot of activities. We have water sports like jet ski, banana ride, speedboat, kayaking, and we also offer jungle safari at Gandhi Sagar. Same with Statue of Unity. We sell a complete package which includes your stay, food, and your sightseeings. And same with Dholavira. Dholavira is the same place where the Harappan civilization is, and we are collaborating with Gujarat Tourism and Madhya Pradesh Tourism to make the destination and promote the destination. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Deepak Manchanda. I am Manager Administration in the Chandigarh Tourism Department, and he is
Mukul Chaudhary from Chandigarh Tourism Department, and I work there as an information assistant.
We are here to promote the Chandigarh as a tourist destination in IITM. And we have the various tourist places in the city beautiful where the person can stay for 2 day or 3 day.
And we are also promoting all the destinations digitally as well. So we do have
We are also distributing this pen drive free of cost to all the tourists visiting here. We have various tourist places in Chandigarh that the person can visit. One is Sukna Lake, other is Rock Garden, and the newly launched is Indian Air Force Heritage Center, India's first Air Force Heritage Center, and Bird Park.
and we do have all the digital copies of the brochure inside this pen drive. So
I request all of you to kindly visit Chandigarh. We will be here to help you, to assist you. Any kind of assistance you need from the tourism department, we will serve you the best. Thank you. Hi, my name is Prasan. I represent the MRG Group. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the group, and we take care of our hotels, which is our hospitality wing. And through MRG, we are a conglomerate of different companies. We are into real estate, we are into hotels. We also take care of CSR activities for all our for the people around Bangalore and other cities as well. Well, under the Goldfinch banner, we have Goldfinch in Bangalore. We have a Goldfinch in Mangalore. We have Goldfinch in Delhi. We also have Goldfinch in Mumbai. We also have a Goldfinch retreat, which is also present in Bangalore. We from the MRG banner, we build hotels for bigger international brands like Marriott and Hilton as well. The recent one being the Marriott International, which we have launched at Navi Mumbai. We have many more projects which are coming up, and definitely we would love to be part of the entire hotel hospitality division, where we want to showcase our restaurants as well, and also our hospitality for our clients. Thank you.
Facilities, resorts, 5-star facility hotels, resorts, transportation and vehicles we are having using international vehicles, and domestic, whatever it is, we can fulfill the customers' service. And we are operating helicopter service also for Damodarkonda, Annapurna Range and Everest Base Camp. Like we have different service we are providing to tourists. They, according to that their interest, we can provide the service to them.
Okay, we are from Nepal, Satyam Tours and Travel. Myself, my name is Amrit Adhikari. Nepal is beautiful country, with mountain, waterfall, whitewater rafting, and national park, and pilgrimage tours. So all the beautiful place. So welcome to Nepal. Thank you.
Hi, myself Hina. I'm currently working with the Tata AIG as an agency manager. So I take care of all the corporates Bangalore. Today I came here to visit, meet all the people. So it's very amazing experience. So we can get in touch with everyone. We can customize the product, and we are giving all the we are getting connected with the people. So most of the people we don't know, they don't know us. So instantly everyone is giving a solution to everyone. Like if they want to find some destination, they want to find some insurance things and hotels, everything. If some people wants to come, and they can come and get everything easily. More information they can give, because sometimes people didn't get the time to connect over the phone and all. So people can visit, and I'm really happy that I have been here. It's a very great opportunity to connect all the people to whom we don't know. Now we can call and we can connect with them again. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Sajo. Along with me is Ni and there's Trang. We are from Sin Chau, DMC, Vietnam. We are based in Ho Chi Minh, and today Vietnam is the most favorite destination for people from India as well as around the world. We have history, we have culture, we have a lot of beaches and hill stations. So we look forward to welcoming all of you to Vietnam. Thank you. So we are from Xin Chau, DMC, Vietnam. We do Vietnam tours, and we are the sole company which does very, very special tours into Vietnam. Thank you.
This is IITM Bangalore. I am from UP Tourism Mumbai office, and this is Mr. Piyush Srivastava from Lucknow office. यूपी में बहुत नंबर ऑफ टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस है, बुद्धि सर्किट, रामायण सर्किट, जैन सर्किट एंड सूफी पंथ सर्किट. आगरा, मथुरा, वृंदावन, लखनऊ, नैमिषारण्य, बिटूर, प्रयागराज, वाराणसी, विंध्याचल, वाराणसी, सारनाथ, अयोध्या, और पूरे भारत से सबसे ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट अभी उत्तर प्रदेश में आ रहे हैं. और हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में 13 एक्सप्रेस हाईवे बन गई है. कनेक्टिविटी और टूरिस्ट लोगों के लिए जो जो फैसिलिटी चाहिए सारी उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार मुहैया कर रही है. गाइड सर्विस अच्छी है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, अकोमोडेशन, गाइड सर्विस, फूड, सारों का जो टूरिस्ट जो है इंजॉय उत्तर प्रदेश में करा रहे हैं.
In Rajasthan, it's a very beautiful destination. Jaipur belong to culture activities, residential zone. You can enjoy the Pink City market. Here is local folk things. You can visit Chowkidani here, Nahargarh Palace. Again, we go for Jodhpur, Ajmer Pushkar. In Jaisalmer, we can visit a very beautiful desert and hotels, local architecture. Jaisalmer and Bikaner is famous for the architecture. It's a very common stone architecture. It's called a yellow city. Udaipur is also very beautiful destination. It's called the White City and Lake City also. Here is you can see all houses in a pure white color. It's belong to purity and Lake City because it's Udaipur have own lake, not natural lakes, is by created by its here king. And we can go the Javai Bera. There we can explore the leopard safari, leopard sanctuary in pure nature and village theme. Again, we go to Mount Abu. Mount Abu is one of the hill area destination in Rajasthan. So there is too many destination. Kumbhalgarh, it's very famous for the hill fort. Hill fort.
The second largest wall.
Second largest wall in world. So Kumbhalgarh, Haldighati, Ranakpur Jain Temple, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, and there is many more palaces you can enjoy, like very culture and heritage theme. Pandharo Mare Desh. Travel India. Now, hi, this is Miraya from ADS, the Travel India Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a very beautiful destination for exploration, heritage, lands, desert, culture activities. So we all request you from Rajasthan Tourism, please come to our state and explore the beautiful destination and add memories in your life.
Create some unforgettable memories.
Yes, right.
Hi, my name is Bineet, and we are from we are representing Andaman Tourism here in Bangalore Palace Ground. So Andaman is basically 572 islands, in which only 36 is prohibited, and other rest are still. I'll start again. Hi, my name is Bineet. I'm from Andaman Tourism, and we are representing Andaman Tourism here in Palace Ground, Bangalore. So basically, Andaman is a group of islands. People looking for beach destination, beach holiday can visit Andaman. We have white sand beaches, pristine islands. Good water activities like scuba diving, parasailing, sea walking. Honeymooners can come and enjoy the nature here, and we would request Bangaloreans to visit Andaman and promote our destination. We have 4 tribes in Andaman: Jarawas, Sentinels, Ongis and Nicobaris, in which Nicobaris are in touch with the human beings. They are well educated, they speak our languages, they go to schools and all. Jarawas are the tribals who still stay in jungle. Government is providing them food and shelter, and some of them have learned Hindi, so we can communicate with them. And one of these is Shompens, which who stay in Shompen Island. You must have heard about an island which is still untouched. These Shompen tribals, they don't communicate with human beings. By mistake also, if any fishermen or any of the local boats go to their island, they just kill them. And even if any helicopter also reaches reaches close to their island, they try to hit them with their bows and arrows. So these are and Shonpens are still not in touch with human beings, and they are, I think, one of the only restricted tribals which are not in touch with human beings.
Yes, myself Deepak Rathod. I am from Gujarat and my company name is Deepak Travels based out of Rajkot. We are promoting here to promote Gujarat. Come Gujarat and कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में. Welcome to Gujarat. कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में. Gujarat is a state with the color of festivals, with the Dwarka, Somnath, Asiatic Lion and the beautiful white sand deserts. गुजरात has their your unique places. कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में. गुजरात में सब कुछ है. गुजरात में द्वारका 4 धाम में से एक धाम है, सोमनाथ का ज्योतिर्लिंग है, एशियाटिक लायन है और वाइट सैंड डेजर्ट है और वाइल्ड एस भी है. लिटिल रन ऑफ कच्छ में आप वाइल्ड एस को पाएंगे और ये सारी खूबियों वाला एक ही स्टेट है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में, गुजरात. सो कम एंड एक्सप्लोर द गुजरात. कुछ दिन तो गुजारे गुजरात में.
आज यहाँ बेंगलोर में संजू भाई अपने एक एग्जीबिशन के अंदर अपना याच का धीरे बोलोगे. आज बेंगलोर में संजू भाई आए हैं अपनी याच का प्रमोशन करने के लिए. बिग डैडी याच यहाँ पटाया में, थाईलैंड में पटाया सिटी के अंदर जो भी लोग आते हो, घूमने आते हो, एक यूनिक चीज़ के लिए सबसे बढ़िया एक पार्टी होती है याच पार्टी. वहाँ पर आपको बहुत कुछ अलग मिलेगा, वेजिटेरियन खाने को भी मिलेगा आपको वहाँ पे. और जो भी वहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर है एक यूनिक आपको मिलेगा. आप अगर पटाया आते हो तो जरूर एक बार याच पार्टी पर आएँ और संजू भाई के बिग डैडी याच पार्टी को कांटेक्ट करें. थैंक यू सो मच.
हमारा नंबर है जी. हाँ तो साडा नंबर भी है जी. तुसीं इहदा नंबर पर आके ना कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. 91 171 00013. आज कर ले पोस्ट कर लीजिए नंबर पर.
हाँ जी, तो हम आए पटाया से अपनी यॉट लॉन्च करने के लिए बिग डैडी, और ये हैं मिस्टर संजू जी जो पटाया से अपना प्रोडक्ट लेके आए हैं बिग डैडी यॉट. यहाँ पे हमारे पास प्राइवेट SIC सारी सुविधा उपलब्ध है. तो किसी ने भी अगर कोई बुकिंग करनी है तो आप कर सकते हैं मिस्टर बिग डैडी यॉट.
We are regularly participating in this kind of trade fairs in IITM Bangalore every year, and here we have providing co-exhibitors from Kerala Tourism, Kerala. We have 22 co-exhibitors from Kerala, the sellers. Kerala attracts many people for its natural attractions like serene beaches, backwater, exotic wildlife, rich culture and everything. And Kerala is famous for its Ayurveda treatment, and many Ayurveda treatment centers are in Kerala. And Kerala is famous for the backwater, exclusively for the honeymoon dates and the houseboat journey.
As you know, everybody, Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal, and we are from Pokhara. We are representing Pokhara. Pokhara is the second destination, and it's a must-go destination. It's one of the cleanest, it's one of the finest city of Nepal. The good part of Pokhara is you can have a clear view of whole Annapurna range, which is the shortest distance from all over city of Nepal. Thank you.
Hi, Namaskara Bangalore. Hi, Namaskara Bangalore. Hope you're doing good. Just to introduce ourselves, my name is Rajesh. This is Manikandan, my colleague. We represent La Miami, a small boutique property resort at Pondicherry, 56 keys, and we have all the facilities there like banquet hall, restaurant, in-room dining, and the swimming pool. We are launching our lawn very soon, and much fun activities to go forward in couple of months time. If you happen to be in Pondi, please do visit us. Just give us a call. Don't worry about the rates. We are there to take care of your stay, and I'm sure our team is there to make you a delightful and have a great experience with us. And to coming back to Pondicherry, we do have all this. You can do a beach surfing. We have the world's second largest mangrove forest. Auroville, well-known place, Auroville for meditation, and of course the Serenity Beach, which is very close. We're just 200 meters away from the beach. So I'm sure and confident that once you come to Pondicherry and stay with us at La Miami, we'll do our best. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is we are from Nepal. We are attending the IITM Bangalore 2024, and we are agencies from Kathmandu, Nepal. We mainly focus on inbounds and outbounds of Nepal from the mountains of Nepal. Like we do the base camps, expeditions, trekkings, and all. And my friend here.
Hello everybody, nice seeing you all and thank you for watching this video. Actually myself Ananya and I'm representing Mountain Tiger Nepal. We are here promoting Nepal. Nepal is based of 3 ecological regions, mountain, hilly and Tarai. So in mountains you can do trekking basically in a simple language. In hill area you can do hikes, short hikes, temple visits and stuff like that. And in Tarai you can go to the Janakpur Dham where roti beti ka sambandh bolte hain ना. हाँ वही होता है सीता जी और राम जी का जो रिलेशनशिप था वो हिस्टोरिकली भी एक संबंध है तो इसी हिसाब से आई एम जस्ट क्लोजिंग आउट माय शॉर्ट speaking about Nepal and India's relation. So hope you guys love this video and anything from you guys. Just two words.
Yeah, we want to request you, everybody, to travel and visit Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country and you'll enjoy it.
So we believe that the thing that our friend mentioned, you guys will note it and definitely you will travel to Nepal. Thank you so much.
By myself Ahmed from Kashmir. So we are from Vertical Travels. So we are DMC for Kashmir and Ladakh. So there is no need of promotion of Kashmir, obviously. Okay. So we invite you all to visit Kashmir. Okay, Kashmir is a very beautiful place, and we want to change the image of Kashmir outside. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Zubair. I am from Kashmir. We are promoting Kashmir, and in Kashmir we are promoting offbeat destinations. They are very new to the people. Want people to visit Kashmir. Kashmir is a very good place. Everybody, there's no need to do a marketing of Kashmir. Everybody knows how it looks like. Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Hello, I'm Gundu Lama and I am from Geotourism. Our main head office is in Nepal and we have office in Dubai as well. We are DMC for Dubai, Nepal and Kailash Manasarovar. And if you have any queries for Nepal, Dubai and Kailash Manasarovar, you can contact us. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Sajeev, Kerala Tourist Information Officer, Department of Tourism of Kerala. This is Mr. Babu Mahendra, and here we have a stall, the Kerala Tourism stall with 22 co-exhibitors from Kerala. They are selling different destinations of Kerala. Here we have Kerala is very famous for its backwater, exotic wildlife, sandy beaches and rich culture, everything. And Kerala is also famous for the Ayurveda treatment. Here we have installed one bullock cart festival, and this is the bullock cart festival happening in Ochara in central Kerala, Alleppey.
I have along with me Mr. Vinod Jat, who is resident manager of our Hyderabad office, which is the nearest office from Bangalore. We are here to represent the properties, the jungles, as well as the heritage and spiritual destinations of Madhya Pradesh. We welcome you all to visit IITM and see the offerings from different stakeholders of our state. There are many resort operators, travel agent, tour operators, and hoteliers from different regions of Madhya Pradesh. As you know, we are quite famous in terms of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, a rich heritage, leisure places and spiritual places are there. You all are welcome to visit Madhya Pradesh and visit our stall in IITM. Thank you. Hello friends, I am Saurabh Pandey from Madhya Pradesh Tourism. Madhya Pradesh welcomes all the tourists from Bangalore and nearby regions. We are very well connected by flights. We have 5 operational airports. Out of them, few are Gwalior, Bhopal and Indore, which are directly connected with Bangalore. Also Nagpur Airport, which is a gateway towards the tiger reserves like Pench and Kanha of Madhya Pradesh. We invite you to visit Madhya Pradesh, its UNESCO World Heritage Sites like Sanchi, Bhimbetka and Khajuraho. We are the home of 2 Jyotirlingas, which is Omkareshwar and Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain, which are quite well connected with Indore and the nearby regions. We have 10 more destinations which are going to be listed in tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. We have 2 natural UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. As you can see, Indore and Bhopal are quite famous for gastronomy tourism. You can visit those places. We have Gwalior as the city of music under UNESCO's Creative City Network. I welcome you all on behalf of Madhya Pradesh Tourism to visit Madhya Pradesh and see an offbeat multi-speciality destination of first choice. Thank you.
ಟೂರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದು 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗಳು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಟೂರ್ಸನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅವರು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ IITM ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳು, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಂಗಲ್ ಲಾಡ್ಜಸ್ಸು, KCDC, ಮಯೂರ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೈನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೇರಳ ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದ ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗುಜರಾತು, ಈ ಥರ ವಿವಿಧ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗಳದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಬಂದು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೂರಿಸಂನ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. Jungle Lodges has 26 resorts across Karnataka. What we provide is the stay with safari inclusive of all board. That means it covers your food, stay, the safaris, even the tax component is included in the package. So once we provide the package to the customer need not to struggle for any safaris. Safaris are by default. So they will enjoy the stay, safari. If suppose for Kabini, if they are traveling to Kabini will provide them 2 safaris every day. One in the afternoon 3 to 6:30, morning 6 to 9:30. Likewise, it depends upon the package, and the uniqueness of our properties is we provide very unique safaris. Like in Kabini, we do water safari as well as jeep safari. If you go to Bandipur, you will get 2 jeep safaris. You go to Nagarole, JLR King Sanctuary, there also you will get 1 jeep safari. Then you go to Riverton, again we provide 1 jeep and 1 boat safari. You go to Devbag, we provide you island visit where you can spot dolphins. So like that, we have very unique properties. Please do visit Jungle Lodges. You can log into our website www.jungllodges.com. Thank you.
I am Sheikh Barid Khan. I represent Accord Hotels and Resorts and Carlton Samudra Palace, Mahabalipuram. So this is the first time we have taken up a stall in this Puducherry Tourism Pavilion, and we happen to see the setup and the hall arrangement, and the atmosphere is pretty good. And today being the first day, we got a decent amount of crowd, and we expect more crowd to come in from tomorrow. That's expectation. But so far it's been really good, and in terms of business wise also. So we are happy to be part of this event, and thank you so much.